Plumbing is not a DIY job, at least not if you want it done properly. If you have problems with a burst pipe, a water leak, a blocked loo, in fact, a blocked anything, call Mathew Edge Plumbing and Heating for speedy solutions. We have a great reputation for a friendly service at competitive prices, carrying out every job with the expertise that comes from experience, working to the highest of standards. And we offer a call-out service round the clock. Get the benefit of our superb service. Call us today at Mathew Edge Plumbing and Heating.